Yes, today I am going to discuss about the rolling friction, Anna. Only rolling friction because all types of frictions are completed. Successfully we have discussed, Anna. But only rolling friction, I left out that only rolling friction, Anna. So now I am going to discuss about the rolling friction, Anna. Right? So, what is rolling friction? Whatever it is may be, it is a friction. Friction nothing but a force which opposes. A force which opposes the relative motion of two bodies. This is the first body, this is second body. On this body, it is over this body, it is rolling, Nana. Yes, this is earth. This is a roller, Nana. Already in the group also I have posted that images, Nana. Yes, this is a roller. This roller, land roller. This land roller is an object which is rolling over the earth, Nana. Which is rolling over the earth. So that's why which is rolling over the earth. Nothing but yes, definitely there will be some opposing force is there, which opposes the relative motion of these two bodies, first body and second body. So that relative motion. Let it be. I am pushing it, Nana. Pushing the land roller in this direction with inclined force. F bar I am applying, Nana. I am pushing it. First application is pushing. While it is pushing, Nana. Land roller is pushing. I am pushing it, Nana. Pushing nothing but I am applying some force F bar in this direction, Nana. Then automatically, yes, what is happening, Nana? It wants to move in this direction. It wants to move in this direction. Then automatically, some opposing force will be in this direction, Nana. Some opposing force will be in the opposite direction, Anna. Some opposing force will be in the opposite direction. That is, let it be frictional force. That is frictional force, Anna. This is some force I was applied in this direction. It wants to move in the, I want to move that in this direction. But definitely some opposing force will be in this direction, Anna. Yes, I am giving the conclusion. What is rolling friction? Rolling friction is nothing but a force which opposes the relative motion of two bodies when one body rolls over the another body. One body rolls over the another body. Then at that time, that opposing force is called some rolling friction. Rolling friction. So now the weight of the yes applied force is in this direction. When in case of pushing, Nana. So yes, I am pushing it. Force is acting in this direction. This is the horizontal, right, Nana? It is making some angle theta, right? So then automatically one vector, yes, vector resolution, Nana. Yes, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, Nana. One vector is in this first quadrant. Then it is moving upward and it is moving upward and right, Nana. Upward and upward. One component is there, right another component. This is theta, that's why this is theta. Let it be A bar, Nana. So A cos theta, A sin theta. Horizontal component, vertical component. Nana. Suppose this vector is moving in this direction of B bar. Then what happens, Nana? B bar. This is making some angle with the horizontal. Only with the horizontal, Nana. Right. This is moving in which direction, Nana? Upward and left, Nana. So upward one component is there, left another component is there, Nana. This is a theta, Nana. Now this is a B cos theta. This is a B sin theta, Nana. B cos theta, B sin theta, Nana. Now one vector is moving in this direction, Nana. This is a C bar vector, Nana. This is making angle with the horizontal theta. Now it is moving in which direction? Tell me.
Downward, left
Left
direction.
direction.
Downward and the left direction, Nana. So this is a theta, Nana. This is what, Nana? C. Yes, you can say, Nana. C
C cos
cos
theta.
theta. This is C
Sin theta.
sin theta. Now, if vector is a d bar vector is moving in this direction, and then what happens, Nana? Yes, it is making angle with the horizontal is the theta, Nana. Now it is moving in which direction, Nana? Downward
Downward
and
right
right.
direction.
downward and right, Nana. This is theta, Nana. Yes, this is what? D cos
Cos
theta.
theta.
Cos theta.
D sin theta. Yes, D cos
Theta.
theta. D sin
Sin
theta.
theta.
Right? Now, right, Nana. Now, yes, here also this force vector in which direction, Nana? Suppose this is the horizontal, this is the vertical, Nana. Then tell me, it is moving in which direction, Nana? Generally, it is moving in which direction?
Direction.
Downward, right. Downward, yes, like D bar vector, Nana. It is moving in which direction? Yes, everyone is thinking like that, sir, it is in the second quadrant. No, it is moving in which direction, Nana? Yes, it is in this direction. So it is exactly D bar vector, Nana. Now it has how many components, Nana? Two different components. First component is D cos, second component is D sin theta, Nana. So then you have to divide this into two components, in this direction and in this direction, Nana. Right? Is it okay, Nana? Two different directions. This is theta, that's why this is theta. Now this is F bar, Nana. D bar is there, D cos theta. F bar is there, F cos
Cos
theta.
theta.
Then
F sin theta.
F
F
F
sin
sin
theta.
theta.
F sin theta, right? Now, this is a weight of the body, Nana. That definitely in which direction, Nana? Exactly in the downward direction. This was balanced by what, Nana? By whom, Nana? Capital F,
Normal
normal
reaction.
force. Normal reaction or normal force. Right, Nana? These things are the requirement, Nana. Just by applying this concept, I was divided into two components. This is F cos theta, this is F sin theta. For that purpose, I was explaining entire the previous topic, Nana. Right? Now, see here, first of all, from the diagram, first of all, horizontally. Tell me, Nana, horizontally, how many forces are acting? F cos theta is acting in this direction. Right? Horizontally. Along this line, how many forces are acting, Nana? F cos theta is acting in this direction. Fr is acting in this direction. Right? Fr is acting in this direction. F cos theta is acting in this direction, Nana. On the same point, at this point actually. Right? Now, the resultant force, if you want to push that like this, if you want to move that, if you want to push that, to get the motion in that lawn roller, then what you have to do, Nana? Simply, definitely the resultant force will be there, Nana. That resultant force will be, yes, definitely this is more, this is less. Fr is less. F cos theta is more, Fr is less. Why, Nana? F cos theta is more, Fr is less, Nana. Why? If you want to
Roll.
move in this direction, in the F cos theta direction, roll that up. That's why F net is equals to net force acting on that is equals to F cos theta minus Fr, Nana. F cos theta minus Fr. Right? F cos theta minus Fr. Yes. Now vertically. Vertically, I am explaining. Vertically, how many forces are acting, Nana? N force is acting in the upward direction, mg is acting in the downward direction, and also F sin theta is also acting in the downward direction, Nana. Right? How many forces? F sin theta in the downward direction, mg in the downward direction, but N only in the upward direction. Then how many forces, Nana? Upward forces, total upward forces is equals to total downward forces. This plus this. This N is balanced by these two forces. So F sin theta plus mg. Then how many forces acting in the upward direction? Only one. From the diagram only, from the figure only I am explaining. How many forces are acting in the downward direction, Nana? F sin theta is in this direction. Mg is also in this direction. F sin theta plus mg. Right, Nana? F sin theta plus mg. Just this is, let it be equation number 1. This is equation number 2, Nana. Right? Yes, now after that, you know very well about that. Just now we have discussed. We know very well about that. F, frictional force always directly proportional to N. Friction always generally, whether it is some static friction, levitic friction, all those things, whatever it is, all the different types of frictions. Any friction, if it is a friction, definitely that is directly proportional to normal force or normal reaction. So that implies F is equals to, yes, I am introducing one constant, Nana, mu into N, Nana. Now here rolling friction, that's why Fr is equals to mu r into N, Nana. Fr is equals to mu r into N. This is the common formula for all the types of frictions. So now Fr is equals to, yes, Fr is equals to, what is that, Nana? Mu r into N. Just mu r into N is how much, Nana, from the equation number 2?
F sin
Tell
theta
me.
plus m.
F sin theta plus mg. F sin theta plus mg. Let it be equation number 3, Nana. Just I am substituting this Fr value in the equation number 1, Nana. So just I want to find F net is equals to F cos theta minus F cos theta minus Fr is how much, Nana? Mu r into F sin theta plus mg. F cos theta minus mu r into F sin theta plus mg. Then that is equals to F cos theta. See, Nana, just keep this equation. This is a required equation, Nana. I want to find just F net, net force when pulling the, sorry, not pushing the lawn roller, Nana. Pushing the lawn roller, I am pushing it with this force. Then the net force acting on that is this much. Just keep like that. Only just I am keeping aside, right? Now second case is pushing completed. Next, Nana, pulling the lawn roller. Pulling, Nana. Pulling the lawn roller. Pulling the lawn roller is nothing but I am drawing the diagram at here, Nana. For this, this is a earth, Nana, and this is a lawn roller, Nana. Weight of this body definitely in the downward direction. Normal reaction always in the upward direction. Here pushing, Nana. Here pushing, but here pulling. Pulling, Nana. Here pulling. Nothing but you are pulling like this, Nana. By thread, by some iron rod, like that. It was attached at the center and pulling with some force. F bar, Nana. Right? Now let it be horizontal. This will be a vertical, Nana. Now it is making angle theta. Now it is which type of vector, Nana? From this discussion, tell me.
A bar.
A bar vector.
A bar, very good. A bar vector, Nana. Then it is upward, moving upward and right direction. So this is theta. That's why it is horizontal to the original horizontal, Nana. It is parallel, sorry, not parallel. It is parallel to the horizontal. That's why F cos theta, Nana. It is parallel to the vertical axis, Nana. So that's why F sin theta, Nana. Right? Then what happens, Nana? Then horizontal. Yes, I want to move in this direction again. Nothing but I want to move in this direction. In this direction. That's why some frictional force will be developed. Rolling friction will be developed in this direction, Nana. Fr. It wants to move in this direction. Frictional force developed in this direction, Nana. Then again horizontally. Horizontally. Tell me, Nana, horizontally, how many forces are acting? F cos theta is acting in this direction. Fr is acting in this direction, Nana. So net force is how much, Nana? F net. F net is equals to, yes, it wants to move in which direction, Nana? In the along the direction of F cos. That's why it more, it is less. So F cos theta minus Fr. Let it be equation number 1, Nana. right? Let it be equation number 1. Next, after that, vertically I am explaining, Nana. Vertically I am explaining. Vertically, how many forces are acting in the upward direction, Nana? How many forces? N is there. Tell me. F sin theta is also there, Nana. Two forces are acting in the upward direction. So, how many forces are acting in the downward direction, Nana, in the figure? Only 1 mg. So, that's why n plus f sin theta is equal to mg. N plus f sin theta acting in this, Nana. N is acting in the upward direction, f sin theta and mg acting in the downward direction. From here, how many forces are in this direction? F sin theta plus mg. See here, f sin theta plus mg balanced by n. But here, n plus f sin theta is balanced by mg. That is the difference, Nana. Main difference. Next, but I want to calculate n value, Nana. That is mg. I am sending this term to that side, minus f sin theta. Let it be equation number 2, Nana. Let it be equation number 2. Right? Next, I am going to discuss about the FR, Nana. You know very well about that FR, because FR is there in the equation number 1. So for that purpose, FR is equals to mu r into n. N is how much, Nana? From the equation number 2, mg minus f sin theta. Let it be equation number 3, Nana. All the equations are very, very important, Nana. That's why I'm yes, drawing one box also. Yes, right, Nana. FR is there. Now I want to substitute this FR value in this equation, Nana. So net force F net is equals to F cos theta minus FR is how much, Nana? Mu r into mg minus f sin theta. Mg minus f sin theta. Let it be equation number, not it is an important equation, Nana. Resultant equation from this when the lawn roller is pulling. Yes. Now I am asking the question, Nana. This is also very, very important question for IPE, Nana. IPE examination. It is very, very important question for IPE examination also. Right, Nana? It is very, very, very important question for IPE examination also. Why is pulling the lawn roller easier than pushing it? This is the question, Nana. Why is pulling the lawn roller is easier than the pushing it? Yes, that question. For that question, you have to derive this one. You have to derive this one. Finally, this is let it be equation number A. Let it be equation number B. From equation number A and B, which one is easier, Nana? Pulling easier or pushing easier? That is the question. 4 marks question, Nana. Very, very important question for IPE students also, for IPE exam also. Right? So yes, from A and B, which one is? From A and B, which one is? According to this derivation parts from here and here, which one is easier, Nana? Pushing easier or pulling easier?
Pushing.
Pushing. Why? That is the discussion. That's why. That's why I asking. See here. That's why I'm asking, Nana. F cos theta minus mu r of f sin theta plus mg. F cos theta minus mu r of mg minus f sin theta. Right, Nana? Only concentrate on, yes, leave all these things, Nana. Don't worry about these things, but only concentrate on these two, Nana. These two equations. From these two equations, f cos theta is common in both the two terms, Nana. Right? From that we are, which is, Nana? From that we are deducting, some subtracting one another term, Nana, here and here. In these two cases, at where the frictional force is more, Nana, that is very, very, because f sin theta is common, mg is common. But here, what is there, Nana? Mg minus f sin theta. You can also write yes, minus mu r f sin theta plus mg minus mu r mg minus f sin theta. See here from f, suppose this is 100 newtons, Nana, f cos theta. Here also 100 newtons, right? From this we are subtracting one term, Nana. This term is more or less, this
More.
term, more. This term less. Why? Why, Nana? We are adding two terms, Nana. Here we are adding two terms. Here, Nana, we are subtracting one term from another term, Nana. Nothing but here we are getting definitely some less value, Nana. Friction is, yes, I have sent you notes, Nana, already. Yes, here what is that, Nana? This term is very, very important in two sections, Nana. Two cases. What is that, Nana? This is common. 100 newtons is common. F cos theta is 100 newtons common term. But this is more, this is less, Nana. Generally, right? But here, by subtracting this term from here, you are getting very less value, Nana. F net. F net is very less. Here, you are subtracting one term from here. F net is getting more than this one, Nana. F net. F net, we are getting F net here less than this one, but F net we are getting here more than this one, Nana. Suppose here you are getting 50 newtons net finally. Here you will get definitely some, yes, that is less, this is more, Nana. Let it be 60 newtons, Nana. Yes, because net force is getting less or more, nothing but we are pushing, we are pulling, pulling. When you are pushing the lawn roller, what happened, Nana? When you are pushing the lawn roller, there is the movement of the lawn roller is when you pushing the lawn roller at that time, at this time, then it is very hard. Nothing but it doesn't move speed. Nothing but net force is nothing but you can write this as MA net, Nana. Yes, net acceleration it is getting. That acceleration is very less because 50 newtons, but here 60 newtons, nothing but simply you are getting some more acceleration. So yes, while pulling, more acceleration. While pushing, less acceleration. Nothing but you are getting less movement at here. You are getting more movement at here now. Nothing but simply it is very easier. Why? That for that purpose you have to prove this, Nana. You have to prove this entire. You have to learn this derivation part also. You have to learn this derivation part also. Nana, this derivation part also. You have to learn this derivation part, two derivation parts also. Nana, okay, na? Right? So, yes, what I am saying, Nana, simply rolling friction, due to the rolling friction, when we are pushing the lawn roller, when we are pulling the lawn roller, what happens, Nana? There are two different cases. Which one is easier? Already they are saying pulling the lawn roller is easier than the pushing the lawn roller. Why? Why means this is the derivation part. Right? Due to this derivation part, you can say, Nana. I have given the questions, diagrams also. Right? The type of diagrams, lawn roller diagrams also. Is it okay, Nana? Yes, is there any doubt? In these two cases, is there any doubt, Nana? Little bit some, suppose in my notes, they definitely, first of all, I discussed it vertically. Then after, I went for horizontally. Now, here also like that. But no, don't worry, Nana. Both are same. Final answer is this one and this one. So like that you are getting, Nana. Right? Is there any doubt? Or shall I go for further discussion? Shall I go for further discussion?
Yes, sir. Right.
Yes,
Right.
right, Nana. Yes, Nana. Next, further discussion. Rolling friction, based on the rolling friction. And a small concept, Nana. Momentum. We have discussed already. linear momentum and law of conservation of linear momentum. Linear momentum and law of conservation of linear momentum. Already we have discussed about linear momentum, but law of conservation of linear momentum also I was explained, but little bit some clarity is not there for so many students. That's why I'm going to discuss this one, Nana. This is a linear momentum, Nana. The symbol for linear momentum is P bar. The symbol for linear momentum is P bar, Nana. Right? Linear momentum. This linear momentum is nothing. Definition for linear momentum is nothing but a simply the product of mass and velocity. The product of mass and velocity. The product of mass and velocity is called linear momentum. The symbol for linear momentum is P bar. Here we are multiplying this vector V bar with scalar mass m. That's why you are getting vector, Nana. Now this is a linear momentum, right, Nana? Now this linear momentum P bar is equals to mv bar. The definition for the linear momentum is the product of mass of a body and velocity of the body. That body is called linear momentum. And what are the units for this mass, Nana? kg in SI. What are the units for this velocity, Nana? Meter by second. So finally the units for momentum is kg meters by second. Kg meters by second is the units for linear momentum. Now according to Newton's second law, tell me, Nana, Newton's second law. What is that Newton's second law? There only we have discussed about linear momentum.
The rate of change
What is Newton?
momentum of
That
body is directly
the rate
proportional
of yes, Nana. The rate
external
of
force.
the rate of change of linear momentum. The rate of change of linear momentum is directly proportional to the rate of change of linear momentum is directly proportional to the applied force or external force. External force acting on a body. Acting on a body. That is F directly proportional to dP bar by dt. F bar is directly proportional to dP bar by dt. You can write this as F bar is equals to some K. I am removing this proportionality symbol. I am introducing one constant K dP bar by dt. K is equals to 1, Nana. Then that implies F bar is equals to dP bar by dt. F bar is equals to dP bar by F bar is equals to dP bar by dt. Right, Nana? Now here, suppose, right, Nana? See here, without this is external force, Nana. If F external is equals to 0, Nana, then what happens? That implies dP bar 0 is equals to dP bar by dt, Nana. dP bar by that 0 is equals to dP bar by dt. That 0 is equals to dP bar by dt. That implies you can write. I am sending this. Yes, just I didn't do. I just only nothing to worry about. That. Yes, instead of F external, I have substituted that 0, Nana. 0, right? Now dt, I am sending this sign, Nana. 0 into dt is equals to dP bar. That implies dP bar 0 into anything 0 is equals to dp bar, or dp bar is equals to 0 nana. dp bar is equals to 0, nothing but a dp bar. I told you already, d is symbol for d. What is the name for that d? Difference. Difference. In generally, we are calling this as change. Change in movement. This is what nana? P bar. P bar is nothing but a momentum. Momentum is nothing but linear momentum. Okay na? Right. So change in. We can write this as a change in linear momentum is equals to 0. Change in linear momentum is 0. Yes. What I have taken now? F external is 0. Just I have taken. From this, according to Newton's second law, I have substituted this F external value at here. Now 0 is equals to dp bar by dt. I got nana. Now I am sending this dt value here. And finally I got change in momentum is equals to 0. Symbol for 0. 0 is nothing but a what nana? 0 is nothing but a not changing. Change in linear momentum is 0. Nothing but a linear momentum is not changing. P bar is constant. P bar is equals to constant. What I have taken, Nana? Simply, if external force acting on any body is equals to 0, then the change in its linear momentum is also 0. Nothing but the total linear momentum must be constant. It should be constant. It will be constant. Right, Anna? It should constant. So this linear momentum definitely should constant. This is about the law of conservation of linear momentum, Anna. Just this is about linear momentum. What is linear momentum? The product of mass and velocity is called as linear momentum. What are the units for linear momentum? kg meter by second. And according to Newton's second law, this is just Newton's second law. What is Newton's second law, Nana? Newton's second law is nothing but the rate of change of linear momentum is directly proportional to the external force acting on body. That is simply, I was derived this one, I got this equation. By I am using this equation, just I am explaining about the law of conservation of linear momentum. Law of conservation of linear momentum is nothing but simply if F external is equals to 0. If F external is equals to 0, then what happens, Nana? You have to substitute that 0 value at here. So 0 is equals to dp bar by dt. Just I am sending it to this side like that. I got finally. What is it, Nana? Just I have taken any force acting, external force acting on any body is equals to 0. If, right, Nana? Again I am repeating. If external force acting on any body is equals to 0, then what happens, Nana? The linear momentum of that body definitely remains constant. That is the statement of law. Yes, I am writing, Nana. If the external force acting on any body or object, if the external force acting on any body is 0, then the total linear momentum, remains constant. If the external force acting on any body is 0, then the total linear momentum remains constant. This is called simply the statement for law of conservation of linear momentum. This is about law of conservation of linear momentum. Right, Nana? Law of conservation of linear momentum. This is about the law of conservation of linear momentum. This is also an IP question, Nana. Actually, it is the questions are coming on the in entrance also, but it is mainly what is state the linear momentum and law of conservation of linear momentum and explain it. So that is, and this is also all these things concepts for IIT, NEET, and objective type examinations, entrance examinations, and this only this one, this derivation part is useful for IP examination, Nana. For that purpose, I have explained for both two, it is useful, Nana. Right? In the IPE and in the entrance objective tests, objective exams, also you are getting this type of questions. Right, Nana? Yes. Tomorrow I will continue the class, Nana.